very good afternoon to you. Well, the heat wave will bring sizzling sunshine and soaring temperatures in excess of 30 degrees for some of us as the week wears on, with the heat working its way northwards in the next day or so, and another textbook summer's day out there, full-blown blue sky and barely a breeze through the bulk of Britain, just a little more cloud hugging those coastal fringes of the North Sea, not amounting to too much. The clouds through Northern Ireland drifting across to parts of Scotland to give that sunshine a little more haziness in the next few hours, but very warm everywhere as temperatures soar. We could see it hotting up quite considerably across parts of northern England, the Midlands and Wales. Here temperatures will peak at 30 or 31 degrees today, and it remains baking hot this evening with late and low sunshine before dusk. It'll take a while for those temperatures to slide away. Nowhere near as muggy or as humid as it could feel in this situation, and another stunning day tomorrow. Hot, strong sunshine once more. Good afternoon to you. Well, we're feeling truly spoilt this week, yet further gorgeous weather to come as we approach the weekend. We've got searing sunshine and soaring temperatures. We're on track for one of the longest heat waves since 1976. Early morning clouds through central and eastern zones were soon gobbled up by that sunshine, and we've got near wall-to-wall clear skies the length and breadth of Britain and Northern Ireland once more. Temperatures already bouncing up a few degrees across many western zones. We'll see the highest figures close to 30 across parts of Cumbria and North Wales today. Those temperatures just a little more modest around North Sea coastal fringes with the breeze and a touch more cloud, but where we've got the sunshine, feeling hot for all of us. Another beautiful summer's evening ahead, late sunshine before dusk, staying remarkably warm, and tomorrow it's a repeat performance. We could get used to this. Near full-blown blue skies and stunning sunshine again this Saturday. See you soon. Whatever the... Good afternoon to you. Well, we keep the heat wave heat as we drift into a new week. Close to 30 degrees again today. It's looking like one of our hottest starts to Wimbledon for quite some time, with humid, muggy air keeping things very much on the toasty side as the day wears on. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. Early clouds stubborn to shift from parts of southeastern Scotland, and through Scotland a fresher feels the day. For the rest of us, again, we're truly spoilt with unbroken blue skies and hot, strong sunshine. Temperatures near to 30 degrees already, and it stays so hot through the course of the afternoon. The only glitch will be some hit-and-miss downpours cropping up through parts of Cornwall. Here rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out, but a gorgeous evening ahead. Late sunshine and staying notably warm out there. It takes a while for the temperatures to slide. A close, stuffy night. Temperatures not much below 18 or 19 degrees, but not as muggy as last night. Whatever.
Trade, checkatrade.com.
Well, with a little more cloud in the next few days, some stunning sunrises and sunsets to come. We keep the hot, strong sunshine in many locations, but temperatures set to slide. They'll be down a notch on what we've seen of late, and a little more comfortable, if anything. That cloud already filtering its way in from the north, as you can see on the earlier satellite picture, the best of the unbroken blue sky through parts of mainland Scotland, down to Wales, the West Country, and parts of central southern England. Here, the best of the temperatures today. Again, those temperatures climbing close to 30 or 31 degrees, hot and humid in the next few hours. For the rest of us, more cloud offering more shade, and feeling not quite so hot as it has been of late. If anything, just a touch fresher, particularly around the coasts with the cool sea breeze. And we'll see just the outside chance of a shower or longer downpour developing before the end of the day, but most of us stay fine and dry, staying remarkably mild, muggy and warm across the south, even after dark. A very good afternoon to you. Well, the stage is set for a generally fine and dry start to the new week. We've got some cloud cover, but much of it light and hazy, keeping a good deal of a bright sky here and there. The best of the unbroken blue sky and the stunning sunshine, allowing temperatures to creep up to 25 or 26 degrees. Pleasantly warm, not quite as warm as yesterday, but nowhere near as breezy. And where we've got a little more cloud cover, a chance of some patchy, drizzly rain from time to time, particularly across the higher ground of northern England through to Wales and the West Midlands. Otherwise, a dry day, always feeling a touch cooler and fresher through Scotland, Northern Ireland, the far north of England. For the rest of us, not a bad end to the afternoon. An early evening will reveal some late sunshine too. A little muggy and close feeling as we go into this evening and tonight. Those temperatures not slipping much below 17 or 18 degrees. And into tomorrow, a touch warmer if anything, highs of 26 or 27. See you soon. Hello to you again. A very good afternoon. Well, a good deal of cloud cover covering many locations, as you can see on the earlier satellite and radar picture, but it's not all bad. It stays warm, if a little muggy, with more and more sunshine developing as we head through the next few hours. A little more in the way of blue sky compared to yesterday, and temperatures bouncing up to 26, possibly 27 degrees. Across parts of Scotland, Northern England, Northern Ireland, temperatures a little more modest, but so much better than yesterday, with those temperatures up a couple of degrees. And if anything, for many of us, a better evening ahead than afternoon, as the cloud will tend to melt away to leave clearer skies as the day draws to a close. Those temperatures take a while to slip away, not much below 17 or 18 degrees overnight. It stays muggy and a little stuffy for sleeping, particularly through parts of England and Wales. A little more comfortable further north through parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, but here a bit more of a breeze and some rain knocking on the door come dawn. See you soon.
Love your...
Well, after a cooler, fresher feel out there today, warming up as the week wears on, increasingly muggy air set to return, with intense downpours turning thundery as we slide into the end of the week and beyond. Into tonight and tomorrow morning, flipped fortunes on today, with much more in the way of cloud cover across the north and clearer skies across the south. After any early misty low cloud and fog clears away, well, some gorgeous sunshine across many southern counties, and here temperatures doing quite well, a little warmer than today, highs of 24, possibly 25 degrees, feeling quite nice as we lose the breeze. Elsewhere, well, a little more cheerful across the northwest, but generally more cloud cover, and feeling notably cool across those North Sea coastal counties, with the breeze from the near North Sea as we head through the day. Staying dry, mind you, and into Thursday we keep spells of sunshine, warm across the south despite the cloud, and increasingly muggy here, with thundery downpours soon getting going. See you soon.
Whatever the weather.
Good evening to you. Well, it's been an unseasonably windy day for many of us. Gales and damaging gusts topped 70 miles an hour a little earlier, unusual for the time of year but not unheard of, and it's set to remain breezy as the week draws to a close. Blustery showers, but also some lovely spells of sunshine. A coolish start tomorrow morning with a good deal of cloud for many of us, the best of the blue sky across southern counties. Here sunshine from the word go. For the rest of us, a little more in the way of cloud cover before things cheer up and the sunshine gets to work. And in sheltered sunnier spots, temperatures lifted a few degrees, but we keep on and off blustery showers as the day wears on. Scattered showers will be working their way from west to east in a keen breeze, moving through at quite a pace, but some lively and intense enough to give rumbles of thunder, as soaking from time to time through parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Here temperatures will tend to struggle with the wet weather, where we've got the fine, dry conditions in the sunshine, highs of 23 or 24. Good night.
Whatever the weather.
A very good evening to you. Well, today marks the summer solstice, the longest day of the year, and some areas seeing more than 15 or 16 hours daylight. And coincidentally, the weather's playing for fine, summery conditions as the week draws to a close. A little calmer than today as the brisk breeze starts to ease. A little chillier tomorrow morning compared to the last few mornings. Single figures for some of us, up bright and early, but full-blown blue sky from the word go. And as the sunshine gets to work, temperatures responding quite well. Just a little more cloud wafting its way into Scotland. Otherwise, plenty of sunny sky to be found, and highs of 22, 23 degrees, feeling a touch warmer than that in the sheltered sunnier spots, with the sun having just a little more strength this time of year. And by and large, a lovely end to the day as well. Into Saturday, a little more cloud cover, turning the sunshine a little hazy from time to time. The temperature's doing a little better, a touch warmer if anything, highs of 23 or 24, and even warmer on Sunday. Enjoy. Good night.
Whatever the weather.
A very good evening to you. Well, this week's heat wave will bring soaring temperatures. Already we've seen highs of 30 degrees across the south today, the hottest day of the year so far, and we'll see near 30 degrees across the north tomorrow. Hot, strong sunshine, barely a breeze, and hardly a wisp of cloud in the sky. And another perfect summer's day on the cards tomorrow. We've got full-blown blue skies from the word go, baking hot in that strong June sunshine. Temperatures peaking at 29 or 30 degrees across northern and northwestern England through the afternoon. For the rest of us, feeling hot out there as those temperatures are on the rise. If the heat's a little much, While around the coast there'll be a fresher feeling, cooler breeze, and the sunshine just a little hazy across parts of Scotland, and we'll feel truly spoilt as the week wears on. More wall-to-wall blue sky and sunshine into Wednesday, nowhere near as muggy or as humid as it could be, and a very good evening to you. Well, the heat wave is well underway. We've got sizzling sunshine and soaring temperatures, peaking at 30 and 31 degrees today. The hot spots likely to be northern and western counties as the week wears on. And we start on a very mild note tomorrow morning, warm for some of us, 17 or 18 degrees for those up bright and early, a little hazy sunshine with the high cloud across eastern counties, but soon cheering up here, and for all of us, wall-to-wall blue sky and baking hot sunshine once more. Temperatures bouncing up to 31 or 32 degrees in places. The hotspots likely to be parts of northern England, the Midlands and Wales. For all of us, temperatures way above what you'd expect for the time of year. Nowhere near as muggy or as humid as it could be in this situation, and if the heat's a little much, the coast will offer a bit of a cooler breeze. The prolonged hot spell goes on as the week develops. Highs of 31 or 32 again on Thursday. Enjoy.
Whatever.
Good evening to you. Well, we've felt truly spoilt this week. The glorious weather continues into the weekend with searing sunshine and soaring temperatures close to 30 degrees. We could well be on track for our longest June heat wave since 1976. A little early morning cloud for those up bright and early tomorrow, but don't be deceived or disheartened, because that cloud is soon gobbled away by that hot, strong sunshine, and once more endless blue skies and baking hot out there. Temperatures lifted to 29 or 30 degrees through the course of the afternoon, and finally we lose that gloomy grey weather along those eastern coastal fringes near wall-to-wall, full-blown blue skies for many of us, and hotting up once more. Those temperatures not far off 30 degrees, just a little more cloud cover through the southwest, keeping it hazy here. Hit and miss downpours possible on Sunday, but many of us stay dry, hot and sunny. Another beautiful setup, if a little more muggy and humid. See you soon.
Whatever.
A very good evening to you. Well, a little let up in our heat wave. Generally speaking, it stays hot for the majority of the week wears on. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures near 30 degrees, and after a muggy and humid start to the new week, a little less so as we approach the middle of the week. As for the next few hours, it could well be a little uncomfortable for sleeping. Not quite as muggy as it was last night, but a little close and stuffy, let's say, across urban areas of the south. Not slipping much below 18 or 19 degrees. You might want to ditch the duvet. And into tomorrow morning, it will be a notably warm, mild start for all of us. We've got some early morning cloud around these eastern coastal fringes once more, like we saw last week, before things tend to cheer up. And then we're all in the same boat, really. We've got endless, impeccable blue skies and sizzling sunshine the length and breadth of the country. Just a little hazy with the high cloud across the south, but so hot again. Highs of 28 or 29, a little fresher around the coast. Good night.
Whatever the weather.
Well, we're now into week 4 of the fine, settled, dry conditions. We see spells of sunshine in the next few days, but generally with more cloud cover, temperatures set to slide. They're going to be down a notch on what we've seen of late, if anything, a little more comfortable for many of us. In the meantime, a remarkably warm end to the evening, and a similar theme overnight. Not much below 23, 24 degrees across southern locations. Another restless night with a muggy, stuffy feel to the air. Those temperatures a little more modest for the rest of us. And into a new day, warm from the word go. We'll see some lovely spells of sunshine, but by no means wall-to-wall blue sky. The cloud will be quite notable tomorrow, offering much more in the way of shade and a bit more of a breeze. So temperatures down a little on what we've seen of late, nearer 24 or 25 degrees, a little more comfortable, we could say. As for the north and the west, a touch fresher here, particularly with the cloud and the breeze around those coastlines. Enjoy. I'll see you again soon. Good night. A very good evening to you. Hello again. Well, things are looking promising into the first stages of the new week. Some lovely spells of sunshine, not wall-to-wall blue sky. A good deal of cloud. I've got to manage expectations there, but mostly dry and feeling warm. Certainly summer hanging on for the time being, and for many of us a remarkably mild night. Temperatures not slipping much below 17 or 18 degrees, the cloud capping the temperatures. A little close and stuffy overnight, particularly through parts of England and Wales, and into a new day, warm from the word go. Even with the cloud cover, I think we're in for a bright day. And we'll see some lovely spells of sunshine, boosting those temperatures a few degrees. Highs of 26 or 27 degrees through the afternoon. And for many parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, parts of Northern England, a touch warmer than today. So things are looking good out there. The rain slides its way in come Wednesday behind those cooler, fresher conditions. Ahead of the rain, well, a little warmer, if anything, highs of 28. See you soon. Good night. Good evening to you. Well, we've got cloud cover and some rain in the forecast in the coming couple of days, but don't be too disheartened. It remains warm and a little muggy in the next 24 hours. Summertime hangs on by the edge of its fingertips, and another close, stuffy feel tonight across parts of England and Wales, not slipping much below 18 or 19 degrees here, a little uncomfortable for sleeping. Further north and west, those temperatures are a little more modest. A little better here, but it will be breezy and wet from the word go tomorrow morning. The rain sliding its way through parts of Scotland, Northern England and parts of Northern Ireland through the course of the morning. Much of it light and patchy, but a little steadier for western coasts and hills. And here, a good deal of cloud cover, but despite the lack of sunshine in places, another very warm day. It's going to be feeling humid across the southeast here, temperatures peaking at 28 degrees. Fresher feeling behind the rain, a little cooler here with more sunshine. And the muggy air gives way as the week wears on. Generally fine and dry, just a few showers. See you soon.